never plowed snow before in my entire life, and there's currently a snowstorm in Pennsylvania. My father-in-law asked if I could help him plow snow, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take you guys with me. We don't really have snow in North Carolina. I feel like it's just a bunch of ice. So to actually experience snow, it's so fun. Okay, I'm ready to go plow snow. Everything is covered in snow, actually. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
I don't really know what I'm doing. Wait. Whoa, that's so much snow. This is fun. Oh my god, look at him go. I can do that. I feel like a reindeer. 1, 2. You guys, this is so fun. Look at everything I got done. I think I did pretty good.